About to start smelling good in here. Good morning, all of our Pizza-ny bloggers. This morning, I'm making a breakfast burrito. This is something that I used to make at my first job at a deli. So first thing we need to do, I should have done this last night, was to boil our potatoes so they're a lot easier to cook in the morning. But we did this morning. The reason you want to do them the night before is because after you cook them, you want to let them cool. And when you do that, the next day when it comes time to cut them, this doesn't happen right here. You don't want the skin falling off. You want that to stay on them. Onions and garlic going, a little bit of oil, right? For our potatoes, simple recipe. Salt, pepper. Usually I use paprika, and it's just for color, but we're gonna be using some cayenne today. Not too much, it's kind of just for color and a little bit of spice. Throw those in with the onions, we'll get those cooked up, throw some butter in there, some oil, and that'll help it, make them like my potatoes. My potatoes are the best, aren't they? Mm-hmm. Minnie said yes. I'm trying to decide if I want to throw the jalapenos in with the potatoes or not. I think this should be in with the eggs. Probably want to cook up a little ham, right? Mm-hmm. And then once all that stuff's cooked, you just throw it inside a wrap and it's delicious. So check back when we are cooking the potatoes.
I'm excited.
Alright, so onions and garlic got a little char on them. It's time for our potatoes. We just did 4 potatoes. Honestly, probably could have done 3. These are big potatoes today. It looks like the perfect amount. You want to put it like on the potato, and the heat helps it just melt down. That should be good. Put some salt. I like salt. Some kuchu pepper. And a little bit of cayenne. Kind of just for color and taste.
That's a lot.
That's too much. We could get our eggs ready. We're just going to do one big batch of scrambled eggs. And then I think I'm going to throw some jalapeno or jalapeno in there. I want to cook my ham separately, I've decided. I'll probably cook it right after the potatoes are done. And once our ham's ready, we'll do our eggs. We're doing 4 eggs. 2 eggs per wrap should be plenty, and looking at the size of these potatoes, it might be too much. So, wash your hands. Oh, we're starting to get some browning on that. That's what you like to see. So you want to start at a slow heat, and then slowly turn up the heat. That way you can get a nice char, a nice crunch on the outside. And if you want, you can add a little more butter. We're running a little low on butter here, so I'm going to hit it with some olive oil.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
Just so it doesn't dry up.
Oh.
And we'll put a little more butter on top. We're running low though. container for now. Try not to drop any burning potatoes on my hot toast. Prep station. Alright, next is the eggs.
Omelet or scrambled?
Oh, sorry, scrambled eggs. Here, I guess the knife. These are smaller than the other ones, aren't they?
It says it's 20 centimeters.
We're just gonna toast our burrito just a little bit. Throw a little butter on there. America, we love our butter. I'm gonna put some egg. Our egg has a little bits of jalapeno in there. These. Hopefully that'll melt a little bit. Put some ham. So sometimes you might want to squish them.
Really?
Yeah, it helps. Otherwise it's almost impossible to roll.
Oh yeah.
Or not. And if you like ketchup, you can put some inside. I think we're gonna try sour cream though.
There's not much.
It's okay. Three little dollops things. I can.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Beautiful.
Breakfast burrito.
Wow.
A side of yum.